With all of the crazy drama that's happened in the past 2 weeks in the beauty community, I realized something. I want to break this habit that I found. I watched Raw Beauty Christie's video where she says truth I never thought about, where it's not even a beauty community anymore, it's the makeup industry. I remember when you'd start doing YouTube videos, you'd embrace the fact that we all had something in common, that we all loved the same things, and you would try and help people who were trying to succeed, who were trying to do their makeup. The idea was to teach and to lift people up and to enjoy something together. So we're gonna change that, at least on my channel. And I'm going to start doing a series where I'm gonna do my makeup, just kind of play around. I'm going to show you guys some people that I found on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, anywhere that really are totally worth checking out, that their vibe is amazing, and that they are forced to be reckoned with, that I wanted to share with you and I think that you should check out. If you decide to check out any of these fantastic artists and amazing people, make sure you tell them that xSparkage sent you. By the way, what do you think of this shirt? I'm like so torn because I love that it's popsicles and it's cute, but it's literally velvet and it feels awful. But I'm just gonna ignore that. Today's makeup tutorial is brought to you by the Juvia's The Deuce palette, because I just bought this at Ulta and it literally looks like ice cream, just pastel beautifulness, like this mint shade. Oh my god, everything in it is stunning. So we're going to do a tutorial with this, and I wore this shirt just to match because I knew it would fit the theme, although I'm really bad at matching my makeup to my shirts, but that's okay. The way that this is gonna work is I'm gonna be doing my makeup, and I will put in the corner where you can see my mirror, whatever, it's fine. I'll put what color I'm using when, so that if you want to follow along you can, but we're really not going to be talking so much about like tutorial stuff in this. We're going to be talking about awesome people doing awesome things that I think will enrich your life. Let's go. The first person that I want to give a shout out to is someone that a lot of you may know, and her name is Jen, and her channel's name is Jen Loves Reviews. She actually is doing a cross-country road trip with her family right now, and they came over on Saturday. Her and her 2 kids came over. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. They got along so well with Violet. Jen herself is absolutely amazing. It's so awesome when you meet somebody that you both know each other through the internet, but you've never really met, but then you immediately hit it off. And that's what it was like when Jen came over. We filmed collab videos, so there's gonna be a video on my channel and on her channel. And we just were honestly like 2 friends that haven't seen each other in a while, but that you just hit it off, even though we had never met. But Jen's channel is awesome because she goes in depth about a lot of different palettes. She talks very candidly. She does 9 videos a week, which my goal is 3 videos a week, and if I hit that, I'm really excited. So 9 videos a week is just crazy, but she's really good about keeping up with makeup news as far as different collections and different YouTubers. And what I really love about Jen is that not only is she really good at her videos, but she has an amazing connection with her subscribers. She will like every single Twitter reply that she gets. She likes it. She comments to a whole bunch, knows a lot of her subscribers by name. She's very unbiased with her reviews. She always tells it exactly how it is. I just love the direction that her channel goes. And I just think that what she's doing is awesome and we need more of it. The next person is on Instagram. She is actually what inspired me to start this, because I saw her on Twitter. One of her pictures had gotten shared thousands of times, and so then I went to her Instagram to check her out. She actually had a relatively small Instagram following for how phenomenal and amazing she looks. So her name is Anya Kuos. I'm blown away. The first picture I saw was her standing in front of the Louvre with this neon pink dress on, and my jaw hit the floor. This was the picture I saw on Twitter, and I immediately went to her Twitter page and had to find out more about her. I needed to find her Instagram. And so I go to her Instagram, and holy moly, is it gorgeous. She's stunning, first of all, absolutely stunning. And all of her makeup looks, and she's not afraid of color. She's got bold, very bright neon colors that she's wearing that just pop against her skin. I don't even have any other word for it other than just completely, utterly stunning. So I definitely recommend that you check her out, because I'm at a loss for words. Holy moly, it's the only thing I can say. She's absolutely stunning. The next one I want to talk about is a 180. It's not that they're not beautiful, because she's also beautiful, but I'm obsessed with her page because it is so ridiculous. Her name is Creative Cliche, and she's by far like not a cliche. It's I love it so much. So I found her from the Explore page. You know when you're watching the videos on the Explore page, this Explore page, not the Scroll page, the Explore page, and it just auto goes to the next one? I'm pretty sure that's what happened. And so I start watching this video where I see that she's outlining something on her face. And I'm watching and I'm like, what is this? What is this? And then she puts these two pieces on her cheeks, which are like, they're supposed to be like cheeks and ears. And I was like, oh my God, it's Harold from Hey Arnold. And she's got a tutorial turning herself into Harold. And she draws like his belly button, and like it goes down to her chest, and it's like literally the coolest thing ever. So I go to her page immediately, and she has so much cartoon pop culture transformations on her page, and they're so cool. But anyways, I think that she's just seriously phenomenal. And her page, it just makes me so happy because I don't think I've ever seen anybody do that before. I've seen people change themselves into things and do like full body like illusions and stuff. Not only is it incredibly talented, but it's really hooking on to that nostalgia where you're going, oh my God, I remember I used to watch that show. That's so neat. She's totally worth following, if for nothing else than just when you're scrolling through your feed, seeing a lot of, oh man, I just made that so much worse. When you're scrolling through your feed and you're seeing a lot of like the same kind of stuff, and then all of a sudden, oh my gosh, it's Harold from Hey Arnold. Hate when I accidentally get fallout and then I blend it into my face instead of just doing like the James Bond. I feel like it's James Bond because I'll take like a really fluffy brush and just like really lightly so that it doesn't blend into my skin. It's kind of silly. The last person I want to show, I was going through my saves on Instagram. My saves on Instagram are like 99% tattoos that I want as like inspiration and 5% makeup maybe. And I see this one girl that I've saved multiple times, and her name is MissDior_XX. Pictures that I had saved had a ton of likes, so I was like, oh, I wonder if she has a really big channel. But she only has 13,000 followers, and her work, oh my God, it's unreal how talented she is. I love when I see people that are just really creative. She's got different wigs, but she's got different styles that she does. She's so talented, and she's just trying all sorts of different stuff. She reminds me of me when I had first started, except she's much more talented, just in the sense that she's trying all sorts of things. She's actually much more talented than me because she does like a lot of more editorial stuff, which I never really did because I'm not that cool. I told you this palette was nuts, right? Now it's time for my James Bond. Dun, 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 dun. Oh man. Well, it's not as bad as it could have been. Oh, now it is. Ah. Okay. Okay. We will rebuild. So I will have links in the description to everybody that I mentioned, so you can go check them out, give them high praise, comment on the ones that you like. I also, you know what else I want to focus on this, because I've been getting a lot of comments lately from people who watched me in the past, who have refound me, talking about the good old days. And then I've also gotten some that are people that are telling me they never comment on videos. This is the first time commenting and they wanted to share this. And I just want to tell you all, I want to just say that it means the world to me when people tell me that they've been watching me for a long time. It means the world to me when they tell me that I helped teach them. Those are the comments that mean the most to me, is when people are telling me how I taught them how to do things, how I taught them how to do their makeup, how to do things. It's seriously, it's the coolest thing ever. I don't want you guys to be afraid to tell anybody that. Trust me, I've been like the world's biggest lurker for a lot of my life, but I want you to know that it's never a bad time to lift somebody up, to compliment them, and to tell them about how they enriched your life. When you guys leave me comments that say things like how I've helped you and maybe you were sad or maybe something happened and you were able to come watch my videos, that kind of stuff means a lot. And I never want you to feel like you are afraid to speak that and to tell somebody that. Even if somebody doesn't respond or reply, know that more often than not, they read those comments and it really means a lot to them. Ooh, this is pretty. I think this is a lip topper though. That's what this weird spatula thing is making me think. Do you see what I mean? Look at this. Let me zoom in for you. This palette. Oh my gosh, Juvia's Place. It's amazing. Their colors are amazing. The fact that this palette that has these gigantic colors, these are huge. And this palette cost, I believe, $20 at Ulta. I bought it online from Ulta, and they're just, oh, they're so pretty. And they're so creamy smooth. I have quite a few of their palettes, and I don't reach for them because I'm clearly ignoring the best parts of my life here. They're so amazing. I'll link to this in the description so you guys can check it out. There we go. I like that better. A little bit smoother. So that's all for this video. Make sure you check out everybody that I mentioned because they are all just so inspirational, so amazing, totally worth your time. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you next time. I feel like I need something for these end cards that can keep people entertained for 10 to 20 seconds. I'm wondering if it should be like a question. Maybe like, let's do like a question of the day. What's your favorite eyeshadow palette that you bought and you neglected and you're gonna go find it today and go play with it? Exhibit A.